morning, everybody. Actually, it is 1 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock. I'm sitting here. I'm finishing up my last few sips of coffee this morning with my big eye glasses on. I think they make my eyes look great big, but you know what? They help so much, and it was really a steal, these eyeglasses. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog, guys. My goodness, what do I want to tell you guys today? It's good to be back. It's good to be picking up the camera again. Ronnie just got some new books on his cartridges, and he took it upstairs to see what they sent him. He gets so excited about new books, so I'm letting him do that. Well, he's doing that. Not that I'm letting him do that. Obviously, he can do what he wants. Today, I have a lot of things I want to do. I want to clean. Okay, my husband wants fried chicken. I was trying to get out of making fried chicken. I was just going to make barbecue chicken and make something easy, but he wants fried chicken. I don't mind it, but it does take a little bit of time, but that's okay. I'm going to make some potatoes and squash and onions, and then I use grapeseed oil and fresh garlic, and I cook that all up in a big pan, and we're going to have that as a side. It just sounds so, so good to me. And what else are we going to do? Oh, yes. My father-in-law brought me a big, giant bag of M&Ms, and there is a recipe for some cookies that I make that has M&Ms in them. And I think I'm going to make some of those today because they are really, really good. Today is trash day. I've got to gather that. I want to do some cleaning. I've got to at least do one load of laundry today. And that is pretty much probably all I'll get done today in this vlog. I'm not sure. Thank you so much for your comments about my new lanterns that I just painted. I think that I might go to Michael's and see, and I don't know if you can buy these, so you guys tell me if you can. You know the candles, like the pillar candles that you buy that runs on battery? Can you get those in like a candlestick? Because if you can, I think I'm going to buy a couple of them, put them in these things, and decorate them really, really pretty for Christmas. Probably Thanksgiving first, but, you know, I'm thinking ahead. For Christmas, I think they would be so pretty down here by my fireplace for the holidays. Or even like one over here by the fireplace and one on my hutch over here. I think it would be really, really pretty. And I think I would really enjoy it. I was going to do the whole solar light thing and put them out on the deck. But I like them so much, and I love the way they turned out after I painted them. I think I want to do the candlestick. So tell me, can you buy those candlesticks that run by battery like the pillar candles? I've got a bunch of those pillar candles, but these here, if you've seen me painting them, you will see that it takes a stick. So I'm going to try to find some of those. I think it'd be really, really pretty. I'm going to get in the kitchen and get my day started. I took a bath this morning. I put all clean clothes. And of course, you're going to see me in a Marshall t-shirt because I feel like this is my uniform now that I've moved here where I live near Marshall University. If you guys have not seen We Are Marshall, you need to rent that movie or buy it. It really did happen. The memorial for that is here, right here at the university. It's very sad. It's a very moving story. If you guys don't know, it's where the football team all was killed in an airplane crash. And it is just, I can't even imagine it. But yes, if you haven't seen that movie, you'll want to see that. I think Matthew McConaughey is in that. So that would be cool. That's a cool movie with him in it. I'm going to get in the kitchen. I'm going to get started on my chicken and my potatoes and everything. And hopefully I have time to make some cookies today. If not, I'll get to them tomorrow. I got today and tomorrow. And then Saturday, today's Thursday, by the way. Thursday and Friday I've got here at the house. But Saturday, I'm scheduled to go to Cabell Wayne Association for the Blind It is their annual summer bash where we have a big giant picnic and music, and it is so much fun, and we love to go to everything that they have. I tried signing up for some classes that they started yesterday, but the classes were full. So boo for me, but it was my fault. I sat on it too long. But they were doing basket weaving. So I did tell Tony Walls is the director down there, and I did tell her, I said, look, when you guys do the basket weaving again, sign me up automatically, because I would really like to take that class. So we will see. We will see. There is a bingo day that is this month and all that, but I'm hoping that my parents are going to come to town again and visit. And yeah, so that'll be nice too, won't it? Anyhow, I need to watch where I'm holding this. I'm going to be going like this. My arm gets tired. So I'm going to finish the couple sips of coffee I have and get in the kitchen and get to work. Actually, it's morning today. So this is going to be a 2-day vlog because, as you can see, I stopped filming when I made dinner. We ate dinner. I cleaned up after dinner. I did not get those cookies baked, but I will another day. Maybe tomorrow. But today is a new day. Today is Saturday. I keep wanting to say Friday because my week has zoomed by. Today that we are going to go to Cabell Wayne Association for the Blind. If you are new to my channel, my husband and I are both visually impaired, and we belong to an organization that helps people that suffer with blindness. My husband is completely blind. I'm legally blind. I have Stargardt's disease. He was born blind. So, just kind of give you a little, if you're new to my channel, that way you know. But today is the annual summer bash, and basically it's a picnic, but usually it consists of things to do outside. Not really sure how that's going to play out because it's pouring down the rain today. It is super, super gloomy and rainy and gross. Ronnie and I scored the cover this month. Look at that. Ron and I on the cover of the guidepost. We look like we should be like advertising Weight Watchers or something, but the Guide Paid magazine put us on the cover. So I mentioned Cabell Wayne a lot. We call it Cabell Wayne. They do a lot of things for people who have visual impairments. One thing is they offer trips to the grocery store. They offer help with paying your bills, meaning, you know, because people who are completely blind obviously can't read bills when they come in, so they give you assistance if you need assistance that way. They, oh my goodness, what else do they do? They give you transportation to and from the doctor's appointments. What else do they do, babe?
Well, I mean, they have had a computer program, but I think right now that's a little bit on the, you know,
they had computer classes, and they'll supply you with everything you need. Now they have done classes for people that have iPhones.
And they, you know, like VTEX for visually impaired, but I'll tell you, when my baby said we're visually impaired, I am as impaired as it gets on vision. I have 0.
I know, I explained that. I said you're completely blind.
0. But you know what? Life is still good. Somebody says, how can life be good when you're... Well, you know what? You learn to adapt. You use things that probably, like your ears. I told someone the other day, the older I get, the better my hearing's getting. You hear a lot of people losing it. Mine is actually strengthening.
Which is good, since I don't have any.
That's right, baby. The Lord, well, no doubts about it.
If you guys have been watching my channel, you guys know that I cannot sit here and vlog without him putting his 2 cents in.
That's right. I have to do it, baby.
If you are in the Huntington area and you are visually impaired and blind, I highly suggest you reach out to Cabell Wayne Blind Association for the Blind, because they put us on the cover of the magazine, and we do look better than everybody else, right, babe?
Well, I never know.
I'm being sarcastic right now. Very, very sarcastic. We are getting ready. The bus will pull up out back. Hopefully, my yard is not a big mush ball, because it has rained and rained, and our yard turns into a giant... Let's just say if we had a hog, they would be happy. Wouldn't they, babe?
Oh, yeah.
We'll catch you in a little bit. Well, I wanted to end this vlog because I did no more filming after I got back from Cabin Wayne today. I am in the bed. It is about 20 till 11, and we had a very full day today. It was a lot of fun. We made slime, and we did a balloon relay race. It kind of spoiled things a little bit because we got nothing but nonstop rain. But it was so good to see my friends and to hang out and talk and listen to music. And it was really, really good. We enjoyed the day. We really did. We enjoyed the day. So we are calling it a night. I hope you guys enjoyed 2 days of bits and pieces of my days. This week, be looking for a big Audi haul. I'm going to be doing some shopping this week, as well as a cleaning video that I'm hoping to put out there for you guys. I'm just kind of getting these videos rolling again, and I'm looking forward to it, and I hope you guys enjoy. And let's see what else. If you don't see anything after this coming Friday, just give me a couple days. I'm getting my second booster, and my husband is too. And so last time I got a booster shot, it made me feel really dreadful for a couple days. I'm hoping that it does not have that effect on me this time around, because I kind of have something planned for Sunday, and we're having friends over and everything. So I'm hoping that it doesn't destroy that, because I got 2 racks of ribs in my freezer downstairs for Sunday, and we're supposed to have company and just friends over, just a couple friends, and we were going to have baked beans and that kind of thing. But anyhow, I want to close this vlog and say thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. And I will be talking to you all again soon, and I look forward to seeing you, really, really soon. Good night, guys.